Hey everyone, I'm Aisha. You are watching Educational Hub. Are you tired of getting lost in endless chatbots and random opinions when all you really need are real, science-based answers? Consensus is an AI research engine that pulls directly from peer-reviewed studies to give you accurate, evidence-backed information. No hot takes, no guessing, just solid academic research. It scans millions of scholarly papers, finds the most relevant ones, and breaks down the key findings for you with proper citations, all powered by some insanely advanced tools. In this video, we'll walk through those features, especially the deep search tool, and trust me, it's next level. So sit back, lock in, and let's dive in. To visit the official Consensus app website, just use the link in the video description. It will take you straight to the tool's main homepage. The platform has a simple, user-friendly layout with options like Home, History, and My Favorites in the left sidebar, making it easy to review your past activity and save important PDF files for later use. In the middle of the page, you'll see the prompt bar where you can type in your research questions. Consensus AI gives you access to more than 200 million academic papers, with especially strong coverage in medical research. When running a search, you can pick between 3 modes: Quick, Pro, and Deep. The Quick mode reviews 10 papers and gives you a fast summary of the key findings. Pro mode examines up to 20 papers to provide a more in-depth synthesis, while Deep mode delivers a thorough literature review by analyzing around 50 papers. To narrow down your results, Consensus AI provides powerful filters such as publication year, journal ranking, citation count, methodology, field of study, and more. These tools make it extremely useful for focused academic research, literature reviews, or building detailed reference tables. Sample prompts are available to help speed up your academic writing workflow. For example, if you want to explore the relationship between social media usage and sleep duration, you can type in that query. Then select the Deep mode to generate a full literature review, which can reference up to 50 relevant studies. After setting your preferences and pressing Enter, Consensus AI begins an in-depth, multi-step research workflow. This includes an initial scan, identifying key concepts, clarifying terminology, analyzing subgroups, comparing conflicting results, exploring mechanisms, examining constructs, reviewing citations, analyzing graphs, and finally ranking the most relevant studies based on impact, recency, evidence strength, and overall quality. In many cases, the system may evaluate over 1,000 papers before filtering them down to the top 50 most relevant sources. The results start with a clear, concise summary, for example, confirming a consistent negative link between social media use and sleep duration, followed by a detailed introduction that draws on numerous referenced studies. The consensus meter provides a visual summary of the findings, for instance, indicating that 83% of studies support the correlation, while 13% do not, offering a clear, evidence-based snapshot. The Methods section outlines the literature search process, including how many papers were screened and the eligibility criteria, while also displaying timelines, citation counts, and major contributors. The Discussion section integrates the key findings, while a Claims and Evidence table highlights major claims along with the strength of their supporting evidence, often drawn from large-scale cross-sectional, longitudinal, and meta-analytic studies. The conclusion summarizes the key findings, while a Research Gaps section identifies areas requiring further experimental or longitudinal studies, often including a matrix of existing study types and open research questions to guide future investigation. Consensus AI lets you download the list of cited studies in multiple formats, view abstracts and summaries, save papers for later, and generate citations in APA, MLA, Chicago, and other styles, with convenient options for sharing and collaboration. As an academic research professional, I consider Consensus AI a game-changing tool for literature reviews and evidence synthesis. Its organized, transparent workflow not only saves time, but also improves the rigor and reproducibility of scholarly research. Its capability to filter, analyze, and visualize extensive bodies of literature, identify research gaps, and generate citation-ready outputs makes it an essential tool for students, researchers, and professionals alike. Additionally, the platform's use of advanced AI algorithms ensures that the most relevant, high-quality studies are prioritized, minimizing the risk of bias or oversights that often occur in manual literature reviews. Features like citation, graph analysis, and research gap identification enable users not only to grasp the current state of research, but also to identify areas requiring further study, promoting a more dynamic and forward-looking approach to scholarship. Moreover, Consensus AI's intuitive export and sharing features make it simple for research teams to collaborate, helping to distribute findings and support evidence-based decisions in both academic and professional contexts. I strongly encourage you to give Consensus AI a try for your next research project. Click the link in the description to get started, share your experience in the comments, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and AI-powered academic tools. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.